Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we'll learn about STCW courses, competency courses, refresher courses because as you all know कोरोना के टाइम में सब ई लर्निंग से हो रहे हैं तो हाउ टू डू ई लर्निंग कैसे इनरोल करते हैं कोर्स इंस्टीट्यूट में कोर्स बुकिंग करनी है उसके बाद ऑनलाइन कोर्स करना है एग्जिट एग्जाम कब दे सकते हैं और ई लर्निंग कब कंप्लीट करनी है और सर्टिफिकेट कैसे मिलेगा ऑल दीज इन्फॉर्मेशन यू विल गेट इन दिस वीडियो so please stay till end. So let's start. First you have to write in Google. Starting I'll tell you that you should use Mozilla Firefox for this or Internet Explorer, as everyone aware of this that DG website is only working on these platforms. So you can write in the Google that DG shipping e-learning. As you can see, after that you can click on e-learning. Maximum time you will get this kind of information. Then you have to press advance and then go risk, accept the risk. In your mobile screen, if you are doing this on your mobile, you can do it. There also you will get the same message. There also you should accept the risk and then proceed further. Then you can start whatever you want, competency or modular courses, whichever you want to enroll, you can enroll, you can click. As you can see in the right, enroll now. You have to press that. Then enrollment form will be shown in front of you. You have to write your endorsed number and date of birth and the course which you want to enroll. You can select any course from here. After that you have to press verify, input the captcha and then verify. After that you can see your course is enrolled. Down below click on the checkbox button and then submit. Please check all the informations are correct, the correct course you have chosen at this moment. If you want to do refresher PST, then write a refresher PST, refresher PSCRB. Please see all this and do not do any combined course. Institute is saying you to complete the combined course, then only you do it combined course, otherwise all are individual courses. At last you will get enrollment successful. And you can see, please use your existing password. Try forget password. If you forget, that means you have already password with your email ID. Your login ID is your email ID. If you forget the password, then you can press forget password in your home screen where you have enrolled the system, you enroll the courses. There down below you can check, it's written forget password. Just click the forward password. Then it will ask some personal information about your mail ID and date of birth. After you putting, you will get the forget password, that means new password on your mail ID. After you getting the password, you have to log in. Same on the same page, you have to log in, user ID and password, the password which you have got from your mail. After submitting all the details, it will show you a pop-up message. There is a time slot window now. You will get 5 minutes time. In that 5 minutes only you have to log in. Nowadays the system has changed, the time is written on your screen. So in that 5 minutes only you have to again log in and then proceed to your course. When you log in again in the time period given by DG shipping, then after pressing submit, it will ask you for your face recognition. Webcam will be on, your face will be shown there, and then you have to verify your photo. Verify photo, and then once your face is verified, the screen will open which all courses you have selected to do. Everything will become. You can see mine. The green color is showing 100%. That means this one I have already completed. You can see the PST which I have not completed, it's written 0%. So just click on the any course you want to proceed. After click, the course will open like this. Left side you can see all the chapters point given. You have to read all the lines, all the chapters. Right side you can see the course. You have to read all the pages. If the page have video, then you can see on the top it's written 100% complete. If you watch the video, it will come 100%. If there is no video, then you can go to next. Please note, there are two things. One, you have to complete the desired time by course, like 9 hours, 6 hours. And second thing, you have to read all the pages 100%. तो कुछ स्टूडेंट्स क्या करते हैं, जिनको नहीं पता होता, वो लोग नेक्स्ट 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 कर देते हैं विद इन फ्यू आवर्स, और वो बोलते हैं कि मेरा कोर्स कंप्लीट हो गया। ऐसे नहीं होता है, आपको डिजायर्ड टाइम कंप्लीट करना है। 9 आवर्स हैं तो आपको 9 आवर्स उसको खोल के बैठना पड़ेगा, आप पढ़ो या मत पढ़ो, बट एटलीस्ट 9 आवर्स आपको खोल के बैठना पड़ेगा। और एवरी चैप्टर के एंड में ऐसे क्विज आएगा ऊपर लिखा हुआ, तो क्विज पे क्लिक करके आप इन क्वेश्चंस के आंसर दीजिए। यहाँ पर कोई मार्क्स नहीं है, आइदर यू फेल और पास डजेंट मैटर, बट यही एज इट इज क्वेश्चंस आपके एग्जिट एग्जाम में आपको हेल्प करेंगे, तो इसके गो थ्रू आप जरूर करिएगा। इसके बाद आप ऊपर राइट साइड में ब्लू कलर में देख सकते हैं असेसमेंट। व्हेन यू क्लिक ऑन द असेसमेंट, you will get if you are eligible for the paper or not. You can see my marks, the date I have attended this. So after completion only this will open, you can go for your assessment exam. There are two things, one is exit exam, one is assessment जो कि एवरी कोर्स के एंड में यहीं पे होगा ई लर्निंग में। एग्जिट एग्जाम के लिए आपको दूसरी वेबसाइट पे जाना होगा, तो यहाँ का एग्जाम से भी पास करना है, देन एग्जिट एग्जाम पास करना है। तो दिस इज द प्रोसीजर। इसको करने के बाद आप होम पे क्लिक कीजिए, देन फ्रॉम देयर ऑल्सो द स्क्रीन सेम स्क्रीन विल ओपन। फ्रॉम हेयर ऑल्सो यू कैन click on assessment and you can check the eligibility, how much hours are left and your course is completed or not. The another way is, if you are not completed, then you can see like this message will come that your desired time is not yet completed, so you have to complete the time. After this, when you come on the again home screen, you can click on the report, and in report you can check how many hours you have completed. After checking the hours, if you have completed, then the assessment, when you click on the assessment, it will come. Otherwise it will show you a message that your desired time has not yet completed. So I hope you have understood the procedure. There are two things, one is time duration, another is all chapters. You have to click on next 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 and you have to watch all the videos. Both things you have to complete. Then assessment, then give assessment exam. So after passing assessment, you can go to exit exam. Before exit exam, you must complete your online course by some institute. You have to book your course. The institute will tell you on that specific date the course will held. So you have to go online as per link given by institute. So institute आपको एक लिंक प्रोवाइड कराएगा, आपको क्लिक करना है, आपको फुल डे उनकी क्लास लेनी है। आफ्टर टेकन द क्लास, the institute will tell you when you can go for exit exam. On that day from morning 10 to evening 5 you can go with your exit exam. Exit exam के लिए you have to write on the DG shipping, on the Google you have to write DG shipping exit exam, and you can open the website here, write your endorsement number. After click on login, whichever courses like 1 or 2 or 3, how many courses you have done online course, the all will show you here only. Then you can go for your एग्जिट एग्जाम। एग्जिट एग्जाम के लिए आपको सिर्फ ऑनलाइन कोर्स करना है, इसके लिए ई लर्निंग इज नॉट रिक्वायर्ड, बट फॉर सर्टिफिकेट ई लर्निंग इज रिक्वायर्ड नाउ। अंडरस्टैंड? आपने कोर्स कर लिया है इंस्टीट्यूट से, आप एग्जिट एग्जाम दे सकते हो, बट आपको सर्टिफिकेट तब तक नहीं मिलेगा जब तक आप ई लर्निंग, ऑनलाइन कोर्स एंड एग्जिट एग्जाम ये तीनों चीज कंप्लीट नहीं करते। सो यू कैन सी नाउ एग्जिट एग्जाम की जो वेबसाइट हमने खोली है उसमें इंडोर्समेंट नंबर एंड द डेट ऑफ बर्थ, whatever it is asking, you just fill that things and go to search. It will show you how many exit exam you can give. Now you can see here for me it is written mock test because मैंने अपने सारे exit exam complete कर लिए, so nothing is there. Otherwise जो भी मेरे exit exams pending होते वो सब यहाँ पे down below show करते हैं। यहाँ लेफ्ट साइड में ब्लू पॉइंट पे मैं क्लिक करूंगा एंड देन गो फॉर टेस्ट, और मैं अपना टेस्ट प्रोसीड कर दूंगा। मुझे इसके लिए 3 अटेम्प्ट मिलते हैं, 3 अटेम्प्ट में एग्जिट एग्जाम को पास करना होता है। If I fail in all 3, then I have to pay again to the institute and do it again the exit exam. So this is the procedure for exit exam. एक दिन में 2 एग्जिट एग्जाम भी पास कर सकते हैं, बट उसके लिए आपको आपका लैपटॉप जिस पे पहले दिया है उसको यूज नहीं करना है, किसी अलग को यूज करना है। IP एड्रेस मस्ट बी डिफरेंट, देन ओनली यू कैन गो फॉर 2 exit exam in a single day. Otherwise you have to wait for next day. ओके, मेन डाउट मैं आप सबका सॉल्व कर देता हूँ। सबको कन्फ्यूजन रहती है कि कंबाइन कोर्स करना है या जिसके पास PSC RB AFF का रिफ्रेशर है उसको PST या FPFF करना है या नहीं करना है। ये मेरे साथ खुद हुआ है। जिसने 5 जुलाई 2021 के पहले PSC RB और AFF का रिफ्रेशर किया है उसको FPFF एंड PST का रिफ्रेशर करना है। दिस इज रिक्वायर्ड बाय DG शिपिंग। जिसने 5 जुलाई 2021 के बाद किया है PSC RB एंड AFF, they don't require FPFF and PST. Please be clear on this. After completion of e-learning, assessment, online course and exit exam, everything has completed. Now you have to download your certificate. For the certificate, you have to go to Windows Checker on Google. Write Google on the Google Windows Checker. The window will open. Then you write your endorsement, which certificate you want to check, GMDSS or whatever STCW. Then you click, put your endorsement number, your date of birth, whichever certificates are valid for you. You can see and you can view from here. You can download from here your all the certificate you will get. Any kind of doubt in this video, please let me know in my comment box. Anytime I'm available for you, so I will not increase the video more. I think I have completed all the points in a easy language. So please subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thank you. Bye bye. Jai Hind.